on green going Fihicame Celsius, Deshan Sonic Saoirse Cunningham. O'Rowa HÉireann and Redshore Tarkbuntosh to Diff, Fosa Dull, Immerhoy Lashtig, a Gloric pass on Canton, Ibrahim Treed, agus Pedagul Osculty and Son, Sarah O'Connor, and pass to Gustach and Son, and Redshore, Exquila Lesh and Immertagus, Egadera Hernashti, Joanna Foscan. Valian Aspect, Spórt Bedr and Cliath Howl, Shachunga East, Corcaigh, Tashid Fainach, and Upper Cousin to Jane of Son, Egg Aha Cliath Canso, Corhish Stock, Egg Evo, Donovan Auguston, Kate Score Imshan Son, Egg Corcaigh. Brútear Nashin so for the Joanna Foscan. Corcaigh Cluiche níos fearr, I'm sure Céile níos fearr, Deshan Son Arishik, Sarah O'Connor, Sloan had 3 to Goni, Deshig O'Connor, Fosa Dull, Sarah O'Connor, and Laura Cooling at Derbyshire Sosta on Cooling a Clacha, Actos, Chris Yenovishtigan Son, Tossa Corcaigh, Sarah O'Connor, Le Score Mahanson, a Cushi Treed, Aiska Gamafi, Lashanson Son Beder Cool. Akvi Fox Air, Nervish Lebra. It's the Mark and Neil Keshfei, Corcaigh and Shakti Kate Carey, Deshka Shoot, Tashi Contortic, but go with Dash inside Corcaigh are cool. Carey, oh, sir, cool like Corcaigh. On lawn Tossigas, Kjol, Banchas and Anglican, so Nirvak Rudawaner Heinting, Kate Carey, Agus and Hade Vrat, Glass Ordan, so Mura, or cool like Carey, Haina Do and Eshe Corcaigh. Mooney Fostal, Sator Erscorns on Passage Derogati, Charlie Murphy. Shini Captain, Amakti Mooney, reached on Canton, Egg Tashtal, Hogshe, Tamalina, Raha Cliath, Ak Egadera, Nia Mooney, I'm shoe score dove. King the chance on score all error for real, see Hade Laheg, Corcaigh got fake and kick a mock shin, Dacrity, Egot Cliath, Gick a mock fin of Ukerton Son, Agus Shell of Aiska Glan, Egg Corcaigh and Son. And Brisha, a Kate Carey. Sinead Van Hunterchuk found cool by the River Dowery. Tashi Fostadol, Carey Leshigato, Carey Haran Chasnon, Sar Coolin and Son, Haina Dowagan Lon Tossi, Elaine Ragran Son, a Corcaigh Conasi, a Smack Do. Last month, a Clake Napella, Charlie Murphy and Captain, Tasheke. Hernashti Flood. Leela Tully. Fickin turn around it, Tart Fay Coolin, E. Hain Ton Canson, Egg Tashtal. Shinnies Fioran Sonning and Manlord Parka and Tarna Coolin and Goha Cliath Hastic Shinuha Fiorna Hernashti Shea Coolin Kickamach Agus Spanish Duke on the Vahe Corcaigh and Kickamach Emer Walsh is Uller and Moher Fickin Sposs Guskel Tosa Cormac and Saw Saoirse Cunningham. Ava McAuliffe and Nish. Dulcan Kying Martinta Ava McAuliffe because he forced it to Lashtig to Ava O'Donovan. Auguston Canson Creekna Ensign Leonton McAuliffe is stuck at the Ava O'Donovan. Auguston Tarnacool Egg Chak to Corcaigh. August Shin Builla Moorda Cliath Dira Grivla Home. Ava O'Donovan a Creeknu. McAuliffe a Croigh. She's an odd Cartagus and Tarnacool and Son. Fnachter Monona Tamidan Sahanish. Reached Corcaigh able to chuck 3 the Vad Nís Fossa. Now Cliagus a Gospel to say Kate Carey reached. Carey Fossa Dolaga Shin Billa Marahan and Wicke Corcaigh. Cool Ella Riven Brisha. Agus Brisha Creanori Radaha Cliath Mar Mas Ruddy Ruddy Ulkreishan Tashid Nís Massanish Cool Ella Egg Corcaigh and Law Tossi a Jane of Scrisson Son. Can lose him her 3 that Balha reached a Kate Carey nach will Trish Cossack her a move on so Tron on a Sar has Pontus Peile Laura Walsh Leshigatogan Canson Egg Dullick Stock Egg Laura Walsh Oshin scoring Cliath Vichy Favru Agus Diary Clay Leshigatoga Roru Dear Karen spotted of too soon to reach Tarna like Corcaigh Agus an Rub Nor Hastic Oaha Cliath Corcaigh reached Chachan Tosganish to Rachel Breen Leshan Dasog De Shella an son ag Corcaigh agus tá sé sin treorathe go snasta hÉireann trasnán ag Céad Céirí. Leis beidir bhfuil seans ag an gáth clí leis a gceanntá. Luchlan to Mórig taú lotha, Roger Mahorg Lorg deis agus tá sé sin nada sa líontán. Hastig sé sin go dóite ó átha Cliath, tá cúlach agus an níis. Tá Luchlan to na cosa, cúl take fé dhearad, tar sé sin misnach ag an dóibh. A rís átha Cliath níos fearr, beidir bhfuil deis fósacha. Os cion denómad fácathe. Ach tá cúil sin treis sppraige éigeant agus beidir bhfuil oscailtí agus deisir cúil eile istigh ag átha Cliath tá cansa Creekna sa líontán agus tá an tarna cúlacha. An tarna cúil ag átha Cliath in imach gá nómad agus hiúil siad tríd an son in áíire anna éascar fad agus ceistan tá Corcaigh in slí treis tiirmin a ghulla agus well rá cúil in imacht gá nómad. Glóir Shella van Túsa gave him a call of freshen. Agus an van seo freshen Saoirse Cunningham. Nish Céad Céirí. Féicear sin mar pass é Céad Céirí. Dríocht dúil amachchas amach bhfuil Cliath comá leis tágadain tá sé sin treorathe ag Eva Sheehan hÉireann trasnán. Ach an pass ráis sin é Céad Céirí. Fuirfa, tóiste agus tíreach isteachtaí lámh Eva Sheehan agus scóúnta eile Corcaigh. Sleamthe tríd aríist agus an tamil goach nómad mar sin fácathe. Dá chuinnig go duine agus deis leis a gitóg aríist ag Lára Walsh an ceann ag seasnú agus tá sé sár cúlín aríist an son ag Lára Walsh. Ach an sod seánóna duine siad céúir tá mé cinnte agus craobh eile le teacht ag an tamalín bhig. Leis bhfuil Cliath nó cúil beidir eile in átha Cliath. McAvoy. Fósadal, Ibrahim Straka. Ashtí agus tá sé cé. Cad é mar cúil ag Rebecca McAvoy. Sár Cliath ar fad an son. Haisiil sí fad na parc a gabh leis. Agus cúil ag a deire átha Cliath chun an cearta hartóibh. Agus an adó Ghearrig sétan son. Céilúir le teacht ag Corcaigh gan éon ceist. Bris a críd átha Cliath. Fuidir trí cúil más a tarna le, ach ní léon ceist fé a fearra ar an taspántas ar an omláin, Corcaigh níos fearr ón túsantá.
The girls deserve it, they've sacrificed so much all year and they put so much work in, so they deserve this,
Hard work really, like training through the winter and training when you don't want to be training, all paid off now.
We all work together and if one person gets turned over, everyone else helps her and we keep lifting each other up and I think that's what got us over the line. My sisters embattled. We trained really hard from the start of the year and gelled so well as a team. We always had each other's backs on the pitch and it was an honour to captain you and you made it so easy because everyone here is the leader on the pitch.
Being with these girls into under 14, I have a really strong connection with them. Today is kind of pinnacle and I'm just so delighted for them that they've come out here with the trophy today,